Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mohammed Asif, an AI expert and machine learning. I am running a group of companies in New Zealand in IT, telecom, AI learning, and network infrastructure, design, implementation, technical writing, and cybersecurity basic fundamentals. Today I'm diving into a fascinating topic: how AI and quantum computing will change our lives by 2028. This isn't just about the cool tech, it's about how it will impact you and your family. First up, let's talk about AI. By 2028, AI will be everywhere. Imagine AI assistants that are smarter than ever, handling everything from managing your schedule to even doing your grocery shopping. For a middle-earning family, this could mean more free time and less stress. But there's a flip side. Jobs. Many roles, especially repetitive tasks, might be taken over by machines. This will push people towards more creative and complex jobs that require human intuition and problem-solving aside. While this sounds great, not everyone will find the transition easy. Some may struggle to adapt and find new career paths. Now, let's add quantum computing into the mix. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize how we process data. Think about solving complex problems in seconds that would take today's supercomputers years. This will accelerate advancements in medicine, climate modeling, and even financial markets. But with great power comes great responsibility. Personal privacy and data security will be more critical than ever. Quantum computing could crack current encryption methods, making our personal data vulnerable. Companies and governments will have to step up their cybersecurity game to protect us. And what about society as a whole? The digital divide could widen. Those who adapt and upskill will thrive, while others may fall behind. And it's essential that educational systems evolve to prepare the next generation for this high-tech future. So how will a middle-earning family survive amidst all this change? Adaptability is key. Embrace lifelong learning and be open to new opportunities. The jobs that machines can't do, those requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving, will be in high demand. In conclusion, the rise of AI and quantum computing will bring both challenges and opportunities. While some jobs may disappear, new and exciting careers will emerge. Our privacy and data security will need stronger defenses, but the overall benefits could propel society forward in unimaginable ways. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.